Hi everyone, welcome back to the 10th video of Redux Toolkit tutorial series. Previously, we have completed the create async thunk and add matcher, and today in this video we will cover some key points regarding create async thunk and configure store. So let's move to our VS Code. So now let's discuss about the Thunk API. Let's move to our application. Try to log in. We will get the Thunk API. In the Thunk API, we will get a dispatch function, extras, fulfilled with value, and other things. So we will cover the get state and the dispatch. So let's extract dispatch and the get state from the Thunk API. So instead of Thunk API, I'll destructure get state and dispatch. So remove this console log and we will get the state by calling the getState method. Let's check what state we are getting. So I will console log this state. Let's move back to our application. We have to again click on login. So we'll put a password here. Click on sign in and you will see we will get our Redux state completely. So when you have to use state inside your create async thunk, so by this way you can access the Redux state. And in the create async thunk, if you have to call another create async thunk or you have to dispatch some other action, then you can access the dispatch method and here you can dispatch other action. So if I have to dispatch Google sign in, I can dispatch it from here, but this thing you can try in your application. So for most of the time the get state and dispatch is useful. So now let's move to our store. Now in the store, if you want some middleware other than thunk, then you can pass the middleware inside the configure store. This configure store object takes one more property, that is middleware, and inside the middleware we can write get default middleware. You don't have to choose get default middleware from Redux Toolkit, and we will call it the get default middleware and dot concat. And inside the dot concat you have to pass your middleware name. So for example, we download the dependency of Redux logger and we passing the Redux logger middleware here. So that's how you can include another middleware inside your configure store. So that's it for this video. So if you found this series helpful, then please like my videos and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video.